How to share Facebook page link. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to share the Facebook page link, first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you have switched to your Facebook page. Now, as you have tapped on your Facebook page, simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, select on your Facebook page, and as you can see the three dotted lines beside the create option over here, simply tap on the three dotted lines, and here at the bottom of the screen you can see your page link. So simply tap on copy link option, then tap on continue, and now you can just share it to wherever you would want. So I'm going to go and share it on Telegram. So let's share it. So let's tap on it and select any profile to share this link to. So let's share the link over here, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.